Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Checkout Unavailable issue on Shopify. First, from your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings in the lower left corner. Now, click on Plan. If you're using a development store and haven't selected a paid plan, Checkout won't work. So make sure to choose a Shopify subscription to activate Checkout. Next, go to Payments. You need to ensure that a payment method is properly set up. Without it, customers won't be able to complete their purchase. So set up a provider like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or another third-party gateway. After that, go to Billing. If your store is paused or a payment for your plan has failed, checkout will be disabled. Check your store status here and update your billing information if needed. Then, click on Checkout. Your checkout settings might be restricting access, so review them carefully. Make sure things like customer account requirements, email rules, and shipping zones aren't blocking orders. Finally, it might be an inventory issue. Go back to your dashboard and click on Products. Check your inventory status and make sure that products are in stock and available for online store sales channel. And that's it. Go through each of these steps to get your checkout back up and running. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.